was so damn high.
Where's my chat? Is the chat working for you guys?
Yeah, it's working for me.
Okay, yeah, it didn't pull up on my.
It works. Just try putting it in my mouth. See how it.
Tom, give me a cigarette. Just put it where it hurts, not all over. Gotta taste funny. Alright. Tastes like cloves, right?
Yeah, clothes. They saying clothes.
GA cells are looking really nice.
Yep. Oh yeah, I'm not sure on gold. Samas, if you send a chart, I'll pull it up for you, but what up, Long?
Like some classical music or something, Paul?
What up, Gustavo? What's up?
You listen to like some classical music or something?
It's the rap station that we've had on. It's just a bad song.
Oh, okay. I heard that. It sounds like some orchestra, something in the back.
Yeah, I think news is gonna take us down, Keenan. What up, Victoria? What up, Wix? Um. Alright, Ashley, this is your gold chart, right? So this is Ashley's gold chart. He's gonna buy now that it forms support above that resistance, I'm assuming. Strong 4-hour level up here. Okay, I would say maybe look to secure something at that after that bearish candle on the 30-minute. Maybe just be aware of what's going on right there. Looks like 15 60 63 1562 500 area, right at that bullish bearish candle right there. But I like the trade looks good. Oh, that's the old one. Hour 4 zone on GA. Yeah, we already broke the low of that candle, so I'm thinking we're going to make a low, come back up, and then go down to here. Yeah, once GA pushes down, makes a low, I'm gonna look to enter. Once it pulls back and makes a resistance or a lower high, and then take the sells down to that bottom zone I got marked.
Yeah, I think you're kind of right, Paul. I think this 7:30 news for AUD is gonna push it down. I might even throw in self stop as we get closer and just see how it goes, because these self stops have been working really well with GBP AUD.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get in, or I'm in before the news happens. Or kind of watch the 5-minute and jump in on the 5-minute. What up, cats? Yeah, more wizardry tonight. Yeah, I don't see any buys for GA. If we do go up and we don't break here, I think we're gonna come up to here, or we're gonna range around to here and then we'll drop. Otherwise, we're gonna come up to here and then we'll drop. But here, I'll show you why. I don't see any buys yet, actually. I'll pull it up on the hourly. So, remember, you got to keep the big picture in mind, right? So the reason I think we're coming down is this. Yeah, I think I do got to go to 4 hour. So, see how we touched up here? We came down. We didn't really get down to here again, but once we came back up to here, same area, this one tapped, came down to here, came up, tapped here, we tapped here again, so we should come down and tap here, and then start to go up, or we're going to come down and stop somewhere in here, which is why I have this bottom zone right here, and then we'll maybe head up, go tap here again, and then come down, or head up and then come down and tap. But I think sells definitely is going to be where we're going till we come down to here, and then once we bounce off here, if we do, then we can look to take it more to the upside. But on the 30-minute, open this up a little bit. I mean, we're kind of just coming down here, so every time we've tapped here, came down, tapped, came down, tap, came down, tap, came down. So I'm thinking we should get a tap before we come down, or we're going to come down and then come back up and tap, or drop down even lower, then come up and tap. But once it goes up to tap, I'm going to look to hold a sell a little bit longer from the tap, probably down to like the whatever low it creates. So like if I waited for this tap right here, I would have held it down to that low right there. Yep, exactly.
Yeah, GA is sort of breaking that area right now, Paul.
Yeah, I want to see it go down and come back up, form a resistance or a lower high, and then I'm going to enter. If it drops all the way and goes down, and I miss it, oh well. Because I can't sell it at the bottom. What up, Dose? Do you have access to Ted's chat? Nope, I do not have access to Ted's chat. I could probably ask him and get it, but it'd be easier if you just joined my group, and then I could just open up my group and pull up your chart. Yeah, Long, I want to see it break that zone, kind of make a low, essentially, and then come back up, make a lower high, and then I'll take it down to that bottom target. Nope, no sells just yet. I wasn't in it from this morning. I actually caught these sells right here. So once this one went bearish. Yo, come on, mute the stream. I ain't trying to hear myself talk. Thank you. I hate the sound of my voice on video. So I had sells after this bearish little candle right here. I kind of watched it on the 15 and the 5 minute. Once 5 minute kind of showed we weren't going up for the 30-minute open, then I took it and took it down. I closed 20 pips here. It came back up, stopped my runner out right away. Yeah, so I expected it to drop all the way here, but I think we're going to get that now.
What's up, everybody?
Yep. Yeah, I'll let you know in a sell when I open up a sell. Yep, exactly. A retest or a resistance, something like that. Just kind of confirming we're not going to go back up after a break. So we don't get stuck in like a false breakout, as that happened a lot last week. I think 3 or 4 times.
Oh yeah, we do got some news coming up for AUD.
We got some what?
Got some news coming up for AUD.
Yep. Trying to find this Will Smith motivational video.
Which one?
I don't remember the name of it. I just was listening to it during cardio. It was really good. I think this was it. What up, London?
Surprised you don't listen to The Rock.
Oh, I like his too. I like Will Smith's perspective he put on it. What up, Raul? If you enter, how will you deal with news? It depends on where my trade's at. So with news, I'll probably just keep my stop loss above whatever resistance is near. Because I'm thinking it's gonna just drive down like it has the past 2 days. So, but that's up to you guys if you want to stay in during that news. Maybe we'll use pendings tonight. Who knows? What up, Lolly?
Yeah, I definitely think we're gonna get this wick though. Daily wick though.
Yep. Oh shit, there's no chat up on here. I can't even. Oh, there it is. Whew. Alright.
instead of like trading breakouts, you basically just wait for support and resistance to form after the breakout.
Yep. So like lower highs, higher lows. I used to trade breakouts. I was losing like 80% of them. So for dinner we got turkey burger and zucchini.
Man, he loves those turkey burgers.
Yeah, I mean, turkey's like all I can eat. Turkey or chicken. 142,950. No, I think if you get above that zone, you got marked. Mindset. I love the name, by the way. If you get above that area, I think you're gonna have a nice move up to here, because anything I've ever noticed when trading clean candles is the chance of it rejecting off of here or off of here over it respecting that most recent candle. Maybe 1 out of 10 trades, 2 out of 10 trades max. So I always just respect here, and I'll take it up to wherever the candle has the most recent resistance, right to the left. So that's going to be right here where you got your target. So that's where I would be securing. But typically it will follow all the way up to the candle. So I think you could probably see something go up into here, somewhere into like above this candle, up to your 143, 334 area. So vegan life, yeah, no, that's not happening. I'll get small if that happens, and that cannot happen. Yeah, see how we're kind of pulling off of that area right there? I'm thinking we could head up maybe to here or range in here till we get here, and then that might be news time, and then come. Oh wait, no, that won't be news time. We did way more candles. We could push up to here and then drop. I'm actually gonna get rid of this zone. Maybe just make it smaller. True, could be. I'm gonna evaluate the news once it's closer to that time. If we're below here and the news is coming in, I might throw a pending on or just do a market entry or a market execution and just try and scalp those quick pips off of like the 5 minute or the 1 minute with the news. But if we're up here, I might put like a pending in here and then take it down to here just to we'll figure it out once in the next 45 minutes on where price goes, how it reacts. Because if we break down, if we come up, form a resistance, I'll probably just put a stop a little bit above, give it some breathing room, and in case the spread jumps, and then let the news kind of take us down. I'm not sure. I've never seen this news for AUD, so I'm not sure how volatile it's going to be or not going to be. What up, Brandon? News has bad numbers. Yeah, the news should just affect it once it's released. If anything, if it's just kind of ranging in here, maybe we'll put a pending or wait till after news. We'll see how these next 45 minutes go. Because if it does spike up, I definitely don't want to be in it. So if numbers are going to be bad, I haven't even looked at. I'll have to do that. We can figure that out. Yep, I'm pulling the chart up now, London. Raquel taught me how yesterday, so. Yeah, I don't typically trade news either, Ali, but the past 2 days, my chart just happened to be, or my trade just happened to be in hours before news, so I just kind of let it do its thing because I felt like my stop was safe. Gold, rejecting previous resistance and support. 100%. That'd be a nice trade to the upside on gold. Yeah, you got that resistance here, and then it's kind of turning there. I like that. That looks good, London. I think that'll work out real nice. You probably get up to here, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea on gold too. Same thing.
Yeah, it looks clean. What up, Black Box? Let me check out the news real quick. I would hope the AUD news would make it stronger, but let me look and see what it actually is. Retail sales and trade balance. And then quarterly business confidence. Alright. So it looks like they're expecting 0.2% less in the forecast. Last time it was 0.9. So yeah, that could be bad for AUD and take us up. Trade balance. Yeah, trade balance is also lower as well. So we'll maybe use pendings and not, in case it goes up, then we're not in it. But if it goes up, I don't think we're getting above here or above here. And if we do get up to here, we should come back and then start to head back down. So yeah, we'll see. You know, they're predicting minus 0.2%, Jan. What up, Chris? Chris, do you have Zoom? The Zoom link? Mike, I think your 5-minute call was right.
Yeah.
Yeah, what up, Orgo? Yeah, I didn't enter anything yet. I want to see it make a low first. Gotcha, no worries, Chris. Yeah, the rap music was pretty good. Actually, I'm not feeling this song. Nah, just chewing some Tic Tacs. Come on, guys, we still need, was that 61 more likes, and then we'll open up the Zoom. Yeah, I have no idea, Ali, to be honest. Hey, actually, we'll make it 50 likes, because otherwise we'll be here all day. And I'd rather get people in the Zoom sooner so we can have more time with better discussion and meeting some new people. So yeah, 8 more likes, and then I'll send out the Zoom. I got all you guys' messages. Yeah, Andrea, I think we've hit 100 almost every night, but it didn't happen until later in the stream, and I'd rather people get into the Zoom call to discuss sooner rather than later. So I'm not too concerned about the likes, but we actually got some people that want to come in Zoom tonight finally, so rather get them in here sooner than having them wait now that we actually have interest. What up, Nathan? What up, Phil? Alright, one away. The link to Disney World? No, but I believe Google can do that for you. Yeah, see, we didn't close below that level, so we got a low now, so that's good. We made the low. Now, hopefully, we'll come up a little bit and then turn bearish, or this one will make a wick up, reject, and then close bearish, and then we can sell it down. Alright, one more like. There we go. Nope, yeah, my stream covers the Asian session for my group Market Fluidity and anyone on YouTube as well. What's up, Mary? How's it going? Yep, pretty much. Thank you, Shakeem. You're too kind. I mean, you entered on a bearish candle. I think it makes sense. It just, there might have been a little bit safer of a more safe entry, but it could play out real nice. So, just manage it.
Yeah, I've actually been in two call. I placed a pending a little bit ago and it got hit on the bottom wick there. So I'm in as well. Pretty much at entry point. I'm down, I think, a pip right now.
Okay.
But I mean, on my 30-minute, it broke the low of all of them, so I just have it going to create that small wick fill, which is still like 16 pips.
Yeah.
I mean, if it's going to push down more than that, then I'll let it go, but I'll probably close, honestly, at 15, 16 pips there, and I'll be satisfied and wait till after news to see what happens. But I'm not sure. We got news in about 25 minutes, so it could be waiting for the news to push this one down.
Yeah.
Or wrap it up and I'll hit stop loss, but either way, it's cool. I just could have been an early entry, but I mean, literally right where the bottom of that last 30 went down, that's exactly where my pending was placed.
Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. It's below everything. You should be good. I think your stop loss has probably got to be...
Put it above the previous 30-minute candle.
I think with pending, it should probably be like 92738 above that resistance. To be honest, just because the way it's been moving in Asian lately, whenever it breaks out and makes that low, it always comes up and makes a pretty higher low, or lower, pretty high, lower high. So I think it could retrace this 30-minute, take you out, and then continue down is the only thing I would be a little concerned about. But if it fit your plan, I mean, then just do that.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess we'll just wait and see.
Yeah, maybe just watch the 5-minute, see if it's creating a support or creating resistance to go down. Because I mean, you sold a bearish candle in a downtrend. That makes sense. Like I said, I would just be worried about the stop not being wide enough. That's all.
Yeah, 5 minute. It looks like it's kind of rejecting off the top area.
Yeah, it still looks good, I think. As long as you can break that 30-minute low, if that happens, I think you're going to be good.
Yeah, if this low gets broken, it's for sure going to fill at least those small wicks on the left. I'm not talking the full move, but at least a small wick on the left.
Yeah.
But yeah, if I move the stop now, then it'll be way too much of a risk for my plan. So I'm just going to leave it and let it go.
Yeah, if anything, you could just, if it does get hit, you could always re-enter.
Yeah, just re-enter for a while.
Yeah, or just close out, take a pip or two, and then wait for something that kind of might feel better if this one's making you feel weird.
Yeah, I mean, as of right now, it's basically just like a pip or two down, so
Yeah.
I'll let it go for a minute.
Yeah, Chris, just PayPal me $5,000 and I'll send you a bunch of signals. Cats. I normally would just add a little bit of Splenda and some sugar-free creamer, and that's it. And lots of espresso. I'm not sure yet, Brandon. More than likely, yeah, because news will be the end of this 30-minute candle. So maybe I'll put a pending in, or more than likely probably just drop down to the 5-minute and kind of watch what happens. Because if the numbers are saying they're bad, that should make AUD weak, which would push GA to the upside. But I want to see how it reacts to some of these levels, and then go from there. If anything, we'll just wait till after the news. I'll look at GA and GJ. Lately, it's just been GA. Just because I like the strong trend to the downside. So, but if GA ever starts ranging really, really hard and just looking messy, I'll probably look at GJ for that day. So whenever I get up in the morning and I look at them, whichever one looks better, I'll just stick with that one only and not go back and forth. Well, yeah, if you guys got charts, just send that little code and I could pull them up for you guys. Yeah, we got 2 of them. I think it's David. It's got to be David. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Chris. I just haven't seen. I don't have enough experience for me to be comfortable um, in trying to predict what's going to happen, and I don't want to put a buy pending and a sell pending because just in the past I've had both get triggered and both hit stop loss, and that's never fun. The stream would definitely be done for the night, and we would have to just come back tomorrow. What up, Gallo? Yeah, I'm leaning more towards picking the pieces up after, but I want to see how this candle forms. See how it closes when we get close to that time. Yeah, I know it ain't you. I'm just playing. Up to 126 today. That's nice. Hopefully the quality is gonna help us get back up to those 200 numbers we were almost at. Why is Zoom so quiet?
Always wanted this kind of outro. Wishing I could go back and tell everything I know.
I usually get quiet when I'm in a trade. Just kind of sit there and pray.
Shouldn't be praying, homie. What was your? Give me your analysis on that trade. What was your thought process behind everything?
Yeah, so basically I have a support zone marked up at like the bottom, like 192.530.
Okay.
And a 30-minute go bearish, and it closed below.
Okay.
And then when it closed, I placed a pending, basically like right at the bottom of that wick, and it hit that pending.
Which wick?
I thought it's the wick fill of like 15 pips.
Okay, which wick did you have it below that bullish wick, right above the previous bullish close? Was it that wick?
Wait, what was your question?
What wick did you have the pending at?
Oh, the pending. Well, the pending was based off the 15 where I placed the pending. So I had it. If you go to the 15, you can see the big red bearish one, the one that broke the area.
Yep.
Okay, so I had my pending at 192.447 is where I placed it, and then you see the next 15 kind of came down, tapped it. Well, it retraced first. Remember when I said it broke and then it was going to retrace and then fall?
Oh, okay. So that thing.
I was thinking about getting in on the retracement. I'm like, you know what? I'll just place this pending below it to be safe. And then it came down and like barely tapped the pending, and now we're pretty much hovering right around that area.
Yeah.
We're trying to break it right now, but if we do break it, then it'll definitely be a clean trade down for 15 pips.
Oh yeah, I think you're looking good. The 15 looks good. You got a weak bullish candle. It tried to go. It couldn't even reach the high of that 15. I would just.
I think the pending was unlucky by 1 pip. I would have placed it. I mean, right now I'm basically in profit, so it's okay. But I think if it was 1 pip lower, obviously I wouldn't have been even triggered until now. So I still think it's a solid trade. Stops are above the previous 30 and the 215s that couldn't break it.
Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. I like that. That makes sense.
Yeah, like I said, we got 15 minutes till news. So my thought process is, because it's showing that the news technically is going to be negative, which when you're talking might drive this up.
Yeah.
Usually it'll go the opposite way 15 minutes until news. I've noticed that.
That makes sense. Yep.
So if this can go down for 10-15 pips, I'll close out and then wait till after news. Because if it goes down 10-15, then that's probably mean it's going to go up for the news.
That would make sense. Yeah.
That's just something that I've noticed. Like I used to just trade news a while ago. I think me and you chatted about this a long time ago.
Yep.
And I would only trade like UJ for news. And it would work pretty well. But whatever it would do 15 minutes prior, it would do the opposite when news came out.
Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. It'll kind of like it'll pull down to pull up or pull up to pull down.
Yeah.
Just like yesterday. So.
It's kind of struggling at this little area here. So we'll see in a minute.
I think it's about to. It looks like it's about to break it.
Yeah, it's literally like right there.
Yeah. I think you'll be good. I feel like if it was gonna go up, it should have gone up by now. So the first 15 minutes of the 30-minute kind of went up, rejected. This 15 minutes should carry you to the downside.
Yeah, I just haven't been in a news trade in a very long time because I've pretty much avoided news. So my only worry is that it would glide up to fall down. You know.
Yeah, I think.
Like I said, if I can get 10, 15 pips and close before news right here, that's gonna be ideal.
Yeah, I just don't know how far the news would take it to the upside.
5 minute looks like it's breaking right now, so that's kind of good.
Yeah, I like monitoring it on the 5-minute.
Also, the news is it's a prediction. So
It's what?
it's a prediction.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I might throw a pending.
They expect it to be the numbers because it don't really have to.
Yeah, as long as this 15-minute can break this right here, I think it's solid.
Yeah.
If not, it's only 2%, so I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah, I might put a pending in.
Yeah, it just seems like these AUD news have been pushing really hard.
Yeah, I saw your message, David. That makes sense. Yesterday's news was good, so the prediction of the bad numbers doesn't really seem like a strong prediction. So you're at the 137 tonight, okay. You're getting back up there. You win a few trades, apparently your viewers come back.
There we go.
No, I'm thinking pending. I'm thinking pendings for sells, Brandon. I'm a bully? I don't think so. Not even close. Oh yeah, you broke the low, Mike. I think you should be good.
Yeah, I think it should be solid. Hopefully.
Pending order will just go below the candle close, I'm assuming. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm only gonna put a sell stop. I'm not gonna do both. If I'm gonna lose, I only want to lose once. I don't want to lose twice. Nah, I wouldn't say go. We have had a really good week. We are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What's today? Wednesday, right? Yeah. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We're 3-0. So. Yeah, I agree, Cameron. You might have to sell me to pay for your marriage. Shoot me some numbers, we'll talk. I'm expensive though. You gotta pay for my food, gym day passes, a bunch of extra stuff. There you go, Mike. What are you up now, like 7?
No, I'm up 4 pips right now.
Okay, there you go. So it looks like we got a bunch of new people. Just make sure you press that like button so we can get more people in here. So YouTube will keep kind of promoting the stream on its own. And then once we hit that 500 viewer count, we'll do the $700 giveaway. So that's basically going to be 7 winners of $100 each. So sooner we get there, the better. You got till March 1st, and after that, there we'll just, if we're not there, we're not there. There's no giveaway. That's it. There's not going to be any extension or anything like that. Yeah, pay for my food. He would be. Yeah, unless he's a really good trader. Otherwise, yeah, he might definitely be losing money on this deal if that's the case. Yeah. Oh wow, the likes jumped up a lot. Thank you guys, appreciate it. I don't know if we haven't broke above like 100 viewers since yesterday was the first day we actually got back above 100. We were at like 80 for the past 2 weeks, but we can open up charts now. I can actually switch to different charts and kind of give you an opinion. I prefer you send a chart and I can give you an opinion on your opinion. That'd be easier, so we can do charts now, which is really helpful. So, because I know before I moved and we had the better internet, when we had worse internet, we couldn't really do any sort of interaction, so we couldn't do charts. I didn't even like to flip to a different chart or change time frames, but we can do all that now. So, should probably get that on the screen somewhere. And Orgo, yeah, before I place the pendings, I'll let you guys know. Oh damn, up to 150 now. Okay. And say if you guys like the stream though, and you've been here all week, if you share it on Instagram, just make sure you tag me, and then I'll repost that for you and for me, because it helps you get us closer to the giveaway. Helps me kind of grow the Asian session community, because it's a lot slower than the other 2 sessions by a long shot. So to send charts, so you see these last letters, you're gonna copy. So after it says chart slash, you're gonna copy after the slash everything and just paste that in the chat, and I can pull up your chart. Are you up 10 yet, Mike?
No, up 7 currently.
Nice. I think you're gonna be good on that wick fill, bro. I would secure 10, but I think you'll be good.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to secure 10 if possible.
Monty can buy everyone food. Yeah, Monty can probably buy my food and be fine. Or if anything, just take your 7, get out now, and enter again with only risking what you made. You know? Up to you. Never mind. Ignore that. Do what you want to do. Don't listen to anything anyone says. Nope. I trade Asian on the live stream with you guys, and then I like to trade New York. So sometimes I do London, but with my schedule recently, it's really hard to get up and trade with 2 hours of sleep and then be up all day and do the things I gotta do. So I've been kind of sleeping through London, unfortunately, because it's fun to hang out with Chris and those guys in the morning. But I'll probably be popping.
I got out at 8.
Nice. There you go. But I like to trade New York and London. I've been only doing New York lately. It's been pretty good. I'm actually going to be changing up my trading time a little bit, as I've been doing some more studying with this extra free time. And the setup I'd look to take actually works pretty well between 6 and 10 a.m. my time. So I think I'm going to start probably 5:30 a.m. and go till about 10. Because before I was doing 8:30 a.m. till about noon, and that's kind of just messing up my whole afternoon. I want to get to the gym and be back home and be able to simulate for a few hours by noon before the live stream. Yeah, we gotta come support Monty some more. Haven't been consuming enough coffee. That's gotta be it. Yeah, it could bounce off that wick, but I don't think that's going to be an issue because we are in a extremely aggressive downtrend, I would say. So I think it should head down to the target that I have marked up eventually. I would like to see, as long as news doesn't kind of ruin everything that we're planning, which it probably will, unfortunately, but I think that target's definitely going to get hit before or during London session tomorrow. McDonald's coffee.
If anybody got in that cell, I would
What?
suggest if you're in profit, just put it to break even. There's no reason to risk because you don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Yep, that's exactly why I got out of that one, just because there's no need to risk it. It's already risky.
Optimize your break even, but it's good to take the profits, put it to break even.
Were you in gold or yeah?
I'm in GA7.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's still a chance that it could push it down. Like I said, I haven't really traded news in a while, and I didn't want to risk it.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna mark up the pending.
I think if anything, a pending below those two bottom wicks would actually be really solid. You know what I'm saying? Like at around 242 or even 252.
Yeah, makes sense.
You know, because I think if it passes that, I don't see it wicking up from there, but you never know.
Yeah, because without the news, this is a great sell opportunity. You know, I think it's just moving faster than expected.
Yeah, if there's no news, I would have stayed in that for sure, but like I said, I've seen GBP pair do some crazy shit during the news, so. It would make sense for this just to come rocking down and hit like the 91800 area.
Mm-hmm.
That was basically the previous large liquidity area.
Alright, how the fuck do I put a pending in now?
Let's see what happens. 10 seconds.
Oh fuck, I'm running out of time.
Might be better just wait if you can't get it in.
Yeah, I'll watch the 5 minute.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Yep, so self stop is
That's about right where my stop loss was as well. And when spread came in, that probably would have hit it.
yeah, I took self stop. I didn't even get the self stop in.
Then you're good. It actually could flip here and come back bearish, but
Yeah, I'm watching the 5 minute.
oh wow. Yeah, I would have got stopped on that, so I'm happy I took profits.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually got in.
Buys or sells?
Sells. Alright, yep, I secured 12.
Yeah, there you go, good shit.
Break even.
Man, that's a big 5-minute candle.
Yeah, it's probably gonna pull back and hit my break even, but that's okay. I got 12.
Yeah, 12 solid rig. And how long did that take? A minute?
Not even.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, it's bouncing off that level down there though.
Yeah. I actually like the way GN looks right now, like a lot better.
Yeah, I'm taking 6 pips. I got 12 and 6. I'm gonna wait for this 30 minutes to close to look for another setup. I figured 6 pips better than no pips if it pulls back.
Oh, absolutely.
So I secured 18, 19 pips.
Well done.
17, my bad, I lied. 17 total. I don't want to be a liar. Yep, hey Nicole, how's it going? Thank you. Yeah, I've been when we have originally went over the 5-minute Chris a long time ago, I've actually been waiting for the 30-minute or hourly to close, and then I'll go into the 5-minute and wait for the 5-minute to kind of make to like come back to a support if I'm looking for a buy, and then if I'm looking for a sell, I'll wait for it to push up to the resistance, and it's been making the entries so much cleaner. So yeah, I mean, for it to give me 12 pips in about 30 seconds, there's no reason you should be, unless you're swing trading, but if you're scalping 10 pips and you get 12 in 30 seconds, you should be securing, getting out, and turning off your charts. But we're going to wait for a real trade so you guys can actually get something, because I kind of did just say, oh, I'm in it, and then I was in it, and there was no way for you guys to kind of get in, so we'll hang out for the normal session time so everyone can catch a trade, not just me. So when I did that, I actually put my stop loss. Once that 5-minute pulled back, and it was about right here, before it was just about to flip, I put my stop above there, because it pulled off so aggressively that I just had a gut feeling that if it was going to go up, it wouldn't have stopped there and pulled all the way back like it did. It would have kind of just sat up here and bounced around. Not went up, touched, and pulled all the way back. Holy lag, what the fuck? So think of it like this, Stylish. Granted, I could be way off base because I'm not a news fanatic, but numbers were bad for AUD, which would cause us to push up, right? Price pushed up to a resistance. We're in an overall downtrend in terms of technicals. So it pushed up to a level that it didn't want to push above in terms of the technical standpoint, and then it came down. So without that news, we just wouldn't have this little drive to the upside. I could be wrong if I am, Chris. I think you're really good at news. I feel like I'm kind of on base though. All right, Jack, I'm gonna pull up your chart. Can you, I'll just add it, never mind. When you send it next time, Jack, just add that last parenthesis for me. Yeah, if your sell stop got triggered, I think we're still good, honestly. I was gonna put one here. I I have never put a pending order on the desktop version, so I didn't get it in time. But I think you're going to be good. Just you might have to have a bigger stop. I would say probably, I think if you kept it above this 30-minute, you're going to be fine. Because for it to pull back up, it's got to get above this resistance. And it only broke above here because of news, but it did stop at this resistance right here, which isn't much further. So I don't think it's going to have the strength to come up back through that resistance again, especially with how hard it pulled off of it. But god damn, this thing is lagging real bad now. Yep, yeah, like I said, Silas, I don't know. I could be way off base and have the complete wrong idea. But I think it makes sense. Ooh, I like that. That looks nice, Jack. That's perfect. Right above everything. Stop loss makes sense. Target makes sense. Looks good to me. I think you should definitely hit target if you haven't already. Yeah, I still see GA dying down to the target. I'm still going to wait for the original plan. So once we pull up, is what I'm going to wait for. I'm thinking, I think we should continue down, but if we do bounce off of here, I think we're going to come back up to here, form a resistance, and then we'll get the full drop. Man, why is my mouse? Man. I can't wait to hopefully get upgraded soon. Yeah, I'm looking at the 5-minute. Who's ever, I forgot who said they were in those. Orgo, yeah. So if you look at the 5-minute, it's looking like it's creating a resistance. You got 1 minute, and if you close bearish on that 5-minute, it's gonna drop down and fill past that bullish wick when the news happened. So I think you'll be good. But yeah, that was quick. I doubt anyone caught those sells that I called because it was just way too fast. Oh, 3. Oh yeah, so to those people that messaged me about the Zoom, it didn't show me the requested ones. I'll send you guys that stuff now. My bad. Yep, yeah, we're still taking, we can probably get 15 more people on, so like I said, the Zoom's open for the entire week. And if your discussion's that good and you bring some real good just value and discussion to the Zoom, there's definitely a possibility of you just being a part of the Zoom as well. So people gave me lots of chances and still do for, I guess, the hard work they see that I put in, so I like to do the same. But yeah, I sent you guys Turner, Anthony, and Forex Trader. I sent you guys the Zoom link. Oh yeah, there you go, Gerzat. Now you should be good. You got that 5-minute resistance, so it should just keep dropping. Just message me on Instagram and I will send you the link. Instagram's on the bottom right of the screen. That's all you gotta do. It's open for I mean, we'd probably cap it out at like 20 people if we even got that many people that wanted in. But, I mean, we'll take as many people in here as we can get to just come hang out. kind of put a voice or a voice to a name. What do I think about this chart? David, I hope not. I caught 17 pips, bro.
I got 30 pips.
You dropped.
Negative.
You lost 30?
Yeah.
Where was my dinner? She was supposed to make me dinner. Yep. Yeah, Gershad, I hit you back on that message. Yeah, we got some people messaging me now. That's cool. Hopefully Zoom will be interesting for the evening.
Yeah, I'm a little salty on this self stop. I took it out because I didn't want to interfere and see what was going on. But I told Pop it anyway.
Make my own dinner. Hey, Nicole. If you're gonna talk shit, you need to get your ass in Zoom, and then we can hash this out. Cause she actually offered, so I don't want to hear it. What up, Sebastian? We caught some sells on GA. I'm a little sad I closed early, but it could have gone either way. Nice. Yeah, next entry. That higher low is going to be a real nice entry. Yep. Sweet. Yeah, we got like 6 more people coming in Zoom. This will be fun. News already happened to Saul. It happened 13 minutes ago. Yeah. Nice job, Brandon. 10 pips. Yeah. GJ buys. Yeah, I like how GA looks, and I've kind of been watching it all day pretty intently, so I got some good feelings on what could happen. So I'm gonna stick with GA. But if you send your GJ chart, I'll definitely pull it up.
Okay, here I am.
There she is. Little shit talker.
I'm like, hold on. Now I got called out. I gotta log on.
Yep.
I just didn't really want to talk because I got a feeling today's going out there.
Well, you sound like a girl now, so you're good.
Yeah, but I'm getting sick, so I'll probably sound like a man next week.
Well, at least you can just hang out in the chat then.
I'll fit in.
People are like, oh, who's that dude? He's got really good analysis. Be like, yeah, he's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, no, she offered to make it, so.
Oh, okay.
Because she was going to order. Because what?
Just wait vacation and then for your dinner to be served king.
I've been waiting patiently for an hour and a half.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, you have to wait an hour and a half.
All she has to do is warm up food. She doesn't even have to cook anything. I think she just forgot. There you go, Bug. Nice job. Yeah. She never watches it. She comes on, she likes it, and then she turns it off.
Oh, so you prying likes from her too?
Yeah, of course. I was like, did you subscribe to my channel? I was like, I'm almost to 1,000 a couple weeks ago. She's like, yeah. Like, okay.
She's like, what are you screaming about in there again for?
Mm-hmm. I was like, you were about to be single, what? No, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go actually. Maybe warm my food on my own. I'm hungry.
How's everyone doing today?
Good, how are you?
Just been sitting back for the past couple days, trying to just observe.
What's up, Dallas?
Hey man. Woohoo's waiting for PJ to break out of the zone.
Yeah. No, I can't have her. I need turkey meatballs and zucchini. We do. It's in the bottom left drawer. Well, we gotta figure out the kitchen. Ugh.
Damn, Paul, I was just in a GN trade and I was up 13 pips and I put stops at break even and then a 5-minute just retraced and took me off.
Oh, why didn't you secure 13?
Because I had to go all the way down to, I mean, look, if you look at GN, dude, it's like clean as hell all the way down 40 pips. So I was just going to let it run.
Did you secure anything?
No, I just put stops to break even.
On both positions?
No, I've only been doing one position just because, dude, I can't do the two positions.
Oh. Yeah, I
might
mean,
start them again because of this kind of bullshit. Keep it in one, but I don't know.
I would always have, I would do two and secure one or secure half. But then you would have at least got, I mean, 6 pips at the full lot size you put in, you know?
Yeah. 5 minutes retrace like 15 pips right there. That's crazy.
I am 25, Sebastian. I think I'm 20. Yeah, I'm 25. I forget. I'm getting old. I forget that stuff.
What up, Paulie?
Yo, what up?
Just here now.
How's it going?
Good, you?
Good. Wish I would have held that a little longer, but we'll get a good entry.
I totally missed. I was eating.
Oh, you didn't get in on it?
Nah.
Oh, that's all good. We're gonna get another one.
What do you think about USD CAD?
Um,
Looks like it's creating a lower high and a lower low.
let me pull it up.
Just waiting for like the 30-minute confirmation for the candle to close.
Yeah, USD CAD, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got. Meow. Hello. Yeah. What were you thinking on it?
I was thinking about sells possibly after the 30-minute close.
Yeah, if it closes bullish, I think that would be making resistance. You got a lower low.
Yeah, and then putting the TP at the bottom of the lower low.
Yep. Yeah, I think you could have TP down at like 32776.
Yeah, like roughly around there, yeah.
Yep.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, if it
Oh
goes.
no, you mean under the lower low even. At
Yeah.
the lower resistance.
Yes, because it should go break that lower low. Because you're making a lower high from the low, so you should make a lower low if you make a lower high. So then your lower low would be lower than that 32822 area, and it would go down to the next area.
Well, hopefully this candle closes bearish.
Yeah, it looks like it's struggling a little bit. It might just continue up to that resistance, to be honest.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, but if it does close bear, no, that 30-minute doesn't have any wick up top. And I do see some stuff to the left, but it's kind of far away, and I don't like using that. But yeah, if it goes bearish, I think that would make a lot of sense. Yep, no problem, Orgo. Thanks for coming. And GA. Yeah, I'm thinking GA could pull back and form a lower high for us. Yeah, I really want to catch some sells from like 92,800 or 92,600. I really want to get some sells from there.
For GCAD, it looks like it's breaking a range to shoot down. And then there's like a 4-hour wick to the left that you can fill.
So yeah, it's probably doing the same thing as GA. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of trending, inching down. Yeah, I think that 30-minute close would that'd be a real nice sell.
Yeah, because on the 4-hour there's a couple wicks actually that you can fill. Those 3 long wicks on the 4-hour.
Yeah, that's a nice 35 pip move. Yeah, CGA is kind of pulling up now a little bit. I'm hoping the next one's going to come up, and then we'll get that lower high and we can take it down for the actual fill.
But they bounce off the resistance, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean the 4 hours is going to close in an hour, so I don't know if it'll have enough time to do that. Yeah, it could be. I mean, yeah, it tapped the support down there on the 4 hour. So, I mean, if it forms a support down there again and doesn't break, we could be heading back up. I'm just going to mark it on the 4 hour to see where it lines up on the 1 hour.
Hey, Paul, have you ever noticed that the GA always pulls back because of China's about to open in 4 minutes?
China opens in 4 minutes?
Yep. So you get that sort of, if China's going to shit itself, sort of it sells up on the Aussie. But then if China goes strong, which futures say it will, it's looking like it will, that move should continue right down to where you've got your target, I reckon.
Okay. Yeah, that
Because people just take their foot off the accelerator a bit in case Asia and Hong Kong markets really start to tank and it becomes a risk-off environment. But this 15-minute candle always seems to pull back just before this market open.
Gotcha. So the market open for China is 7, right?
I'm in Australia, so
in
4
4 minutes.
4 minutes, and you've got in 15 minutes after that Hong Kong futures market, and then 11, and then on the half hour you've got all of Asia fully open. So that's when you get those volatility spikes. So if equities are strong, it's good for the Australian dollar typically, but they always seem to just recalibrate a little bit before these markets open, where people go into profit taking to see if it's going to continue for the session.
Gotcha. Yeah, I did not know that. That is good to know.
Well, it's going to probably make a complete fool of me shortly, but we'll see.
Yeah, I think we got a higher probability of going down than up, but we might need to form a resistance first to continue the move down. Unfortunately.
Well, with a little bit of luck, it's going to go and jump in shortly, hopefully.
Yeah, I think so too, Chris, but I think it's going to wick up a little bit on the next one with how it's pulling back like that. Looking like it's rejecting down there or rejecting that wick to the left. But we made a low below the previous little range it was in. So if we make a lower high, I think we'll definitely head to the low if we don't just head there without that. Stand up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me know if it's enough.
Okay.
I may be entering on this GCAD once this closes.
Yeah, GCAD looked good.
It looks like it's gonna keep going down.
Yeah, 5 minutes looks like it's looking like it's trying to go fill that wick. Ooh, that's good. Splenda on zucchini. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't like anything yet. Yeah, 5 minute looks like it's forming some resistance as well. It kind of closed below the resistance too, so we'll see. Did it work on gold for you, London? What with Chris? Oh, God. What are you burning? Hmm. How big is it? Yeah. Yeah, 17.
So where are you from, Paul?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin? What? Wisconsin?
Yep, in the U.S.
United States of America.
Yes, sir. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, okay. What part?
The GTA, Ontario.
Okay, cool.
I'm from where Wickstone lies.
Ooh. That sounds like the place to be.
It's cold as It's super cold here.
Mm-hmm.
Though right now.
Oh yeah, it's fairly cold here.
Does it snow there?
No snow, but it's pretty cold. We had snow a couple days ago, I think.
It's 36 degrees right now in Texas, and it feels like -5 or something.
Wow.
But we can't handle it down here, so y'all are probably more used to it.
Yeah, let's see what the weather's here. It is. It's -4 degrees Celsius here.
Damn.
So it's like 24.8 Fahrenheit. Feels like -8.
That's pretty cold.
I love the winter though for some reason.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan.
Well, I like to ski though, that's why.
That makes sense. Yeah, I only like the cold at night when I'm trying to sleep.
Oh, me too. My body's like a furnace. I just heat up.
Same. Damn, Chris. That's pretty cold.
Paul, did you get in on that retracement move
For what?
for GSL?
The push down?
Well, you see how it kind of retraced a little bit? I didn't know if you got in once it retraced.
Nope.
Okay, I stepped away for a second.
Which retracement? Because it's only gone down.
Oh, I've got 15-minute pull up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, GN did the same thing. It basically went down 15 pips, and then it retraced up like 15 pips. Now it's coming back down and broke the low again.
Yeah, no. Just 30-minute for me. See you later, Chris. Maybe I'll see you in London if I get to bed on time. That blue line's the 4-hour support. I just wanted a visual of it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna pop off here. I got an interview tomorrow, so I'm gonna study up on some terms from the company and stuff.
Okay. There you go.
Hopefully we'll get it. It's the freaking 8th one for the same company, so this is the one finally with, it's an hour and a half long phone interview with 2 hiring managers.
Oh, wow. You got it.
Yeah, so if it is, then we'll be moving down to Florida, boys.
Yes, sir.
So I'm hoping. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow night on here.
Yep. See you later. Or I'd say in the morning, but you got that interview. So good luck.
No, actually, the interview's not until like noon or afternoon, so I'll be up for New York.
Okay. Well, I'll see you in the morning then. Good luck.
Yep. All right, I'll see you guys.
Bye.
See you.
So Joey, I just look at GJ and GA. Yeah, Reginald, I don't agree with the buys either, but Nick's has been on here for a while, and he makes some really good calls. His trades, I don't think I've maybe seen one lose since he came on here. So if he's taking buys, it probably has a good chance of going up because he's pretty good. Yep, thank you. Yep, we're here every single Asian session, Sunday through Thursday. And say, can we get 5 more likes? 4 more likes? You guys beat me to it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a lower high. Some resistance to form. Yeah, that's good, bro. That's really good. You scalp off the 5 minute though, don't you? Turkey and zucchini. I'm trying to chew really quiet. Yeah, I have. It's pretty good.
That the first time I ever had that, I was so shocked because I was like, oh my god, bro, who the hell's gonna eat this?
It's so
It actually
good.
tastes almost better than regular taco.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, Paul. I actually just ate chicken breast and macaroni and cheese.
Oh my god, that sounds so good. Mm. That's like my favorite meal. With some barbecue. Mm.
This is an unpopular opinion, but I hate mac and cheese.
Oh my god.
Like, I
Just with the texture.
I'm just not a cheese guy.
What? Okay.
Yeah, it's an unpopular opinion. I don't know why everybody else loves cheese, but I'm just not a cheese guy.
Bro, I could probably sit down. What part of Texas?
Yeah.
I live north of Boston.
Yeah, no problem. No problem, Silas. Thanks for coming. We'll see you tomorrow, bro. What were you
Yeah, I
doing?
don't want to say the exact spot just because we're on stream and everything, but north of Boston, yeah.
You don't want to say because of the street.
Yeah.
Come on, we don't want anything personal. Just give us your address, social security number,
Yeah, man.
debit, credit card number. You know, just.
What's that?
Man, I should have kept that sell stop.
Mm-hmm. You didn't trust me.
No, I just didn't trust the candle. It was just going crazy.
Yeah. It didn't look good during the news candle. Looking at the hourly though, it looks super smooth on the hourly.
Well, the Asian stock market's going through the roof. Like up to 500-600 points. So should continue, I would think.
Mm-hmm. I concur. Yeah, no worries, Nix. You'll get the next one.
My trades on GCAD and USDCAD are looking good.
What did you take?
Took sells on both.
Hmm.
GCAD sells just because they broke the range, and then for USDCAD is trading the lower high and then targets lower low.
Yep. Yeah, the GCAD look good.
This morning though, trading was not fun for me.
No?
Rookie mistakes.
That happens, you just gotta learn from it.
When I first started trading, I don't know what it was. Like I started like a couple months ago. I had beginner's luck or something. Took my it was like $200 times 2,000, and then my smart ass started trading on Friday with Trump tweeting news and everything, and lost all of it in one day.
Damn. How long did it take you to?
Had no risk, risk out of anything, no stuff like just dumb mistakes.
How long did it take you to get it there?
7 days, exactly 7 days.
Yeah. Were you swing?
It had to be beginner's luck because I was over trading like no tomorrow, trading at wrong times of the day, everything.
That's what, 500% return in 7 days?
Yeah, but that was beginner's luck. It was like because that's not realistic at all.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was like beginner's luck, and then it had to because I had to use my brain. Lost all of it in one day.
What lot size were you using?
Pardon me?
What lot size were you using?
I started from 0.10 and then went up to like 20, 30 the more my account got bigger and stuff.
Oh, cool.
I mean, that's still impressive.
I had no risk or anything set up. It was just like pure luck. I think.
I don't think you can get that lucky.
It was also when I was less attached to money because I was off of school, so I was just working. Now I was like when you're in school.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Gotcha.
I just have the most fun time right now, which is
Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, Paul, just got a question. Is it like, are we like staying like PG-13 on here? We're not allowed to swear or anything, right?
No, you can swear.
Only Paul can.
No.
Just making sure.
No, you can swear. Just don't be obnoxious, I guess.
Only Paul can. He's a bully.
I mean, if it goes down and fills the wick from here, there's not really an entry for me. So I'm probably gonna wait for a buy once it pulls up, or wait for a sell once it pulls up. So I'm just pretty much hanging out till then because I don't see anything I like just yet. Yep. See you later, Tyler. Thanks for coming. Got my pill bottle again. Yeah, 4 hours closing in 34 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I could see some bullish movement from here.
Hey, if I leave the call real quick, can I join back after?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be back in a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, the music kind of sucks today.
Paul, have you ever been to Austin?
I have.
How'd you like it?
It was a little busy, but it was nice.
Did you go to like 6th Street or something, like on a weekend?
No, but it was a weekend. We like checked out some restaurants and whatnot. It was fun.
Yeah, I like Dallas more. I mean, I guess with kids and stuff, and walk around Austin with the homeless people is not so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, Austin is definitely what they say about it, the whole weird thing. It's so good.
Don't let Sam fool you. He's weird.
Yeah, my son can read now, you know what I'm saying? So I don't actually want to buy a beer with your money pretty much time. He's trying to stay their lives.
Thanks, Eric. Appreciate it. I think we'll still get another nice trade. Just gotta wait for it. And this is the worst hip hop I've ever heard.
What's weird is I can't pull up gold on my trading.
You can't?
No, I put in XAU light and typed in gold. Just to get it to come up. It's weird.
Huh.
Those matched your criteria.
A nice chart.
A random chart, US dollar over rupee, I think it is, like India. You managed to see this test, man. Holy crap.
Is it nasty?
Literally, the chart's like just chopped up all over the place. It's weird. A little piece of candle over here, a little piece of candle over there. Craziness.
I think it looks good, Sebastian. It makes sense. Did we hit 100 likes? Ooh, 105. Sweet. So I'm not sure if we'll be here when it happens, but I'm just going to wait for a resistance to form here to take sells down to here. But if we come up and close above here, I'm going to be looking for it to come down, make a higher low, and then take it up probably to here, and then probably look for sells from here down, depending on how it moves. If it moves all up all in one and doesn't really give an opportunity for entry, then I'll just be looking from sells either here or here. But we'll probably do another hour. You gotta be shitting me. Oh, it's on risk? God damn it. Oh, what's up, Dallas? I don't know you came here.
Hey man.
What are you looking at?
GG. Just trying to get my mind around this pair.
GJ or GA?
GJ.
Gotcha.
Things are starting to, for me at least, starting to like act normally again, so that's nice.
Yeah.
I've recently taken entries on the 1 hour as opposed to the 30-minute, and I've had better luck with that, so I'm trying to run with that.
Yeah, hourly is much better confirmation.
Did you see that chart I posted to this Zoom chat? The latest one, the more recent one.
Let me check.
I think I also posted to the Telegram chat.
So once it closes below there?
Yeah, once it closes with not too big of a body, I'll be looking for cells down to there. But because of that wick way up there, I kind of want it to retrace a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of hoping that wick would not happen, but it has happened. So.
Makes sense. What up, Igor? Your BE, nice job, Nick. Yeah, I'm liking this. If this hourly closes bullish, I think buys would make some sense to go fill that wick on the 30-minute. Could I explain what waiting for? Yeah. So, if this hourly goes bullish, I might take a smaller risk buy up to the resistance right here, maybe higher. And then I'm looking for sells either here or here at these two levels. But buys up is about probably 20 some pips. Probably get in on the wick down here. So yeah, almost, if you get in somewhere down on the wick, you got about 30 pips to the upside. But gotta see how the hourly closes first before anything, because that will be the 4-hour close. But a bullish hourly close would make lots of sense in my head. Oh, we still got 12 people in here. I don't even know that. It's so quiet today. Yep. Yeah, I'll call Igor. I'll call it out before the trade happens, so you guys can get a chance to consider if you want to take it. But it's kind of looking like it's making a higher low if it goes bullish. So then we might head up and go through the resistance here. Maybe get up into here. As if that 4-hour support holds, we should have some drive to the upside. Yeah, if that support holds, and looks like it's going like it is, we should be able to get up to here. But if it does close like this, that's still bearish. Could be below here. This could be a fake out, and then this could be our level. So I'm thinking a bullish candle up to here, secure, go break even. If it ends up flipping bearish here, then selling it down to here is going to make a lot of sense, because we're still definitely in a downtrend. So the buys would just be a real quick short-term scalp. Yeah, the daily looks like it held above this support. So this wick kind of just tried to come down here, kind of tapped into here, and then we might head up. I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'll be right back. Yep, exactly, Orgo. That's what I'm thinking. Especially an hourly bullish close. It didn't really push lower. It didn't push that much lower and still kind of pulled back up. So it wasn't like it was trying to make lower lows to continue down. So I'm thinking that hourly is going to form a higher low right there. And then we should see some upside, at least to maybe to the trend line, or at least that middle 92 900 area, 92 850 area. Nope, it just has to close bullish, Brandon. So all I want to see is, like, if it closes just like it is right now, I like that hourly bullish close. Alright, it's looking pretty good so far. Dallas, you here?
I'm here.
You
Just
seeing?
watching The Mandalorian in the background.
Gotcha.
Oh man, that's a great show.
Dude, I've already gone through it once and watching it again. So good. Love it.
Alright guys, I'm not in it yet, but that is what I'm, if we can get a good close, that's what I'm thinking. But if it closes weak like that, there will not be an entry. Looking like it should be good. So I got in it, guys.
Well, GJ closed bullish on the 1 hour, so that trade idea is out the window.
Yeah, I took GA buys. Yep, I took it, Brandon. GA. Yep, yeah, 1 hour is probably gonna have a pullback. Plus, it's 4 hour. It'll probably have a bigger pullback, but I got in a little bit at the pullback, so I think it should be good. Yep, yeah, so those last 2 hourly candles are forming the support. Morning, Giorno. Yeah, I'll probably stick with GA over GJ. I do like it a lot better. Sounds good, Brandon. See you later, Cat. High, low, trigger for buy. Yep, yeah, I'm hoping so, Cat. I think it makes sense. I'll take this trade 100 times, every single time. So with the 4 hour open though, it could have a little more. It could pull back a little deeper than it normally would if it was just an hourly close and not also a 4 hour close. But I think we should be okay. We had a strong close. It's got some good rejection going on, so I think we should head up. How many minutes between two peeps? I don't know what that means. Depends on what time frame you're looking at, Caleb. If you're looking at the 1 hour, you got 1 hour between each candles. 30-minute, you got 30-minute, so on and so forth. Yeah, I wish I would have gotten a little bit lower, but oh well. Yeah, no, we're still confident in it. It's just, you know, just how it goes. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken it if I wasn't confident in it, no matter what it did. So, it's either going to stop loss or take profit. So, hopefully it goes to take profit. If it doesn't, then the hourly candle will not be respected. Yep. Yeah, nice job, Nix. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the 5-minute, we have a nice wick to go fill from the news. So that's about where I got my target. It's about 22 pips. So, in 5 minutes, almost broke the high of the previous 5-minute. So that could be our support or the bottom of the 1 hour wick to then take us up. So we'll see if it can break that high. I would feel like that would be the lowest we're gonna go for the hourly wick, but you never know. Could play around for a minute. We got a whole 47 minutes to go. So we will see.
But love will find its way. I feel your presence, but I can't
So yeah, I think that target makes sense for the 4 hour. Because if it rejects from there, it could head down. I think all the way up there we should be good. Don't I trade after 47 min? I don't. Oh, you don't trade after 47 min. No, I'll trade. Whenever it presents a setup, is when I like to trade it. So, if it doesn't give a setup till 10 p.m. Central Time, 11 Eastern, that's when I get the setup. So, if that was like a 30-minute close, I would have waited. But since it was an hourly close, I felt a lot better about it being respected. So, but yeah, no, I don't think I've ever said anything about 47 minutes. So I'm not sure where you got that. But no, I'll trade the whole Asian session whenever it gives a good opportunity that I like. Yeah, Rookie was here yesterday, Brandon. Ted said he'd come on one day. I haven't talked to him since before we moved, but he said he would come on for a session if he wasn't busy. So I'll probably hit him up this weekend for something for next week. To just come hang out for half hour, an hour or something.
Hey, we can finally get him to manipulate the market for us.
I don't know if he'll trade GA. Yeah, if this thing goes up 15 pips, I'll probably take it and be done.
Where'd you get in at?
Right at open pretty much, so 92351. Excuse me. Yeah, Raquel comes in and then he gets out right away. Nope, I do Asian and either London or New York. I'll do one or the other. Excuse me. To fill to the upside, Trap God. Yep, okay, gotcha. That's what I thought you were saying, but I wasn't sure. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the 5 minute, we made a high, we made a higher low, so we should go make a higher high again. And hopefully we'll just continue higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. That would make sense. $9,500. Yep. Yeah, that's where the hourly resistance is as well. So, I got. I'll be closing just before we get to that resistance because we are in a downtrend. So I don't feel too confident holding a counter trend trade past like any support or resistance. So I'll normally, if I trade it against like where the momentum is, I'll just take it to, to or just before any type of support or resistance target. But when it's with the momentum, I feel better about holding it through a support or resistance level. So I'll be right back.
Why can't you stay with me? I just like to hold on to all the memories.
So I'd like this 30 minutes to close really weak, bearish or bullish, at least. Yep, see you later, Nick. Thanks for coming. I'm thinking we should hit TP.
Paul, have you seen The Mandalorian?
No.
Do you have Disney Plus?
No.
Dude.
We have Hulu. Or we have Roku.
What's Roku?
It's like a streaming device. You can get like Netflix and Hulu and Amazon Prime and HBO and stuff.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How much is that? You don't mind me asking, like per month? Is it a monthly thing?
For the like Netflix subscriptions, yeah, but you just have to pay $29 one time to just buy the device from Walmart or Amazon, wherever you buy it from, and then yeah, you just gotta be subscribed to like Netflix. Damn, I did not want that 5 minutes to pull back. Come on, I want a weaker bearish close. Or at least a bullish 15-minute would be nice. Ooh, pole day today, nice. Yeah, I had quads today. I got back in triceps tomorrow. I went to Animal House today at like 12. Yeah, because we're in Greenfield now. Greendale, Greenfield. So, Experience and Racine is probably 40 minutes away, whereas Greenfield Experience is 1 minute away. Yeah.
Greenfield Experience, is that? Okay, I'll just Google it.
Yeah, it should be probably 30 minutes from you.
And you live like a minute away from this one?
Yeah. But we have a 24-hour fitness center at the apartment. So I'm going to do my late night cardio there for the first time. Go check it out.
Dude, you're really close to my Starbucks store.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is it are you right on the corner? By like an abandoned gas?
Right by your I'm trying to find the measure so I can just measure it. Just a second.
Come on.
You are like 10 minutes away.
Okay, so you're...
That gym is, I should say.
Okay. Yeah, because Oak Creek would be basically right down the interstate real quick.
Yeah. On the other side, yeah.
Come on. Why the fuck isn't just not breaking up?
Hey, if you come to my store when I'm there, I could get you a free drink.
Ooh, be there tomorrow.
Cold brew.
Be there tomorrow. We're going to Animal Going to Animal House, so. Do I take supplements? Oh, you hit 10 pips already. Damn, nice. Yeah, I'm still minus 6 pips. 7, 8. So, great. Can't break the high, so it's going to the low. Awesome. I'm going to be real salty if this bullish hourly ends up going down. Supplements to protein, creatine, glutamine, carb powder, and then just like a pump, some pump stuff. I don't take the energy pre-workout. Oh, more confluence for it to go up. Yeah, I hope so. It's really struggling to break this 15-minute high, which is what I want to see happen, because then we'll start to have some bullish strength back in action since the hourly open, but it's struggling to break it. But if it breaks that, I'll feel a lot better on it continuing up and flipping the hourly. But yeah, if the trap gods, so the coronavirus having a negative impact, that'd be China, so that would affect AUD as well. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too, Cats, but what was I gonna say? It's been not super polite in terms of respecting candles lately. Probably just bad entries on my part, but what like a normal bullish hourly candle like this, it's just done nothing, but it'll just go straight down right to stop loss. It's done that twice this week on 30-minute and 1 hour, so I just get a little skeptical sometimes when it's struggling to break highs on the smaller time frame. But major trading partners, okay. I mean, sucks for them, but hopefully good for us in terms of being in this trade. Maybe it will go fill that wick pretty nicely. Oh, because the 4 hour's about to flip bullish. Okay, that would make sense why it's struggling. Is it? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Once it flips bullish, though, it should run nice. What time you work tomorrow, Dallas?
Let's see. 10:30 to 6:45.
Okay. You might see me. I might come pop in and get a
I will
drink.
say my manager's there from noon till close. So I'd have to get you a free drink like when she's in the back or something.
I can just pay for my drink. I'm not poor, but I appreciate the gesture. Still got 70 people watching. I wonder if anyone took this trade. Besides the few people I'm talking to in the chat. That's funny. Come on, 15-minute time to pop. Yeah, I agree, Orgo. Oh, you're in it? Sweet. Hopefully this plays out for us. For those of you that are in it, we can get a nice win on Wednesday. Go 4-0 so far. And hopefully end tomorrow with the big 5-0. I'd like to see a strong bullish close or it to break the high of the previous one at least and then have a good close. That'd be ideal. Thanks, Josh. Appreciate it. GA is actually really nice. If you trade GJ, you should be really good at GA as well. You should be better at GA than GJ, I would say. Because it does move a little smoother because it's less aggressive. But pip count, I believe, is about the same. So man, it is really struggling.
You're in buys?
On GA, yeah. I'm basically sitting at like -5 pips because it just will not break this 15-minute high. It's like right there. Our third hourly's about to flip. 4 hours about to flip. So Got a minute on the 15-minute left. So hopefully we can break this high. Yeah, I like GA more than GJ as well. Never traded GCAD. Sweet, Joey's in it too. Is that Jolie? Okay. Yeah, I would if you get messed up on GJ, I would definitely check out GA. It's pretty nice. So 15 had a nice bullish close. So looks like it kind of broke the high of that previous 15. So maybe we'll head up on this last 15 minute and flip the hourly as well. I'm gonna run to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Did you trade anything tonight, Dallas?
Yeah, got a little 6-bit move a couple hours ago.
Oh, nice.
Just kept the stop loss tight, and then I brought it into 6 pips profit, and then it stopped me out.
Gotcha. Still a good.
Just purely based off the 1 hour.
Yeah, no, it makes sense.
But I just caught like the pullback, so it was kind of lucky because sometimes like if you wait for the pullback, it just will never pull back and will just go.
Yep.
You know, so you kind of have that FOMO. So I was fortunate this time. Actually, wasn't expecting to place the trade because it was such a big candle previously, but here I'll send a chart.
Come on, it's so close to flipping.
I sent it in the Zoom chat.
Okay.
It's nothing complicated, just a simple pullback entry.
I'll pull that up in a minute. Noob.
Right.
No, noob, not you, Dallas. I'm gonna pull yours up real quick, Dallas. But I'm not gonna. I just don't want to change my my screen on here in case we do start to pop up. I can kind of monitor it. But this is on my laptop. Oh, we should start to pop up now. Almost in profit finally. Oh, nice. That was real slick, Dallas.
Yeah.
That was real slick.
I was lucky.
Looked like a skill move to me.
Well,
Right.
so far I'm in profit for the day, so I'm trying not to.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. I'm hoping this one will be good. So I took a really small position size on that I caught the news sell earlier for 12 and 6 pips, and I thought I had it on the lot size, so I was gonna put a 0.25 and a 0.25 just because it was not my normal setup. Felt a little riskier, and it was actually on risk, so it only risked 0.5%. So once I looked how much I made, I was like, oh my god, I thought I caught way more than that. It was like, damn. Yeah, this thing should pop up real nice. Probably get a nice 10-15 pip spike. Yeah, noob, I'll pull that up as soon as we're out this trade. Beautiful. Dallas, have you heard that Camila Cabello song?
The singer?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll drop it in the Zoom.
Talking about a song though, a certain song.
Yeah. How do you spell her name? That one. I've had it on repeat literally almost all day.
This is on the radio?
Yeah, she actually performed at the those awards that happened like 2 weekends ago. Yeah, I'm waiting for, I'm going to close probably 15 pips each. I'm at 5 each, so I'll close 30 total pips, but 15 each position. And I'm targeting, that target on there is about 20 some, so 25. So depending on how quick it pops up and whatnot, I'll close 15 or 20 depending on how quick I can close. Yeah, I can't play it on stream, Brandon. I'll get a copyright issue, otherwise I would. Come on, 5 minutes, finish the wick though.